Hello and what's poppin' everybody? I hope you guys are doing fine. Welcome back to another video. Beautiful weather. Look at that, it's amazing. I love it. The cloud, the sound, the wind, everything is beautiful right now. Look at that. Wow, the cloud. Beautiful weather, beautiful bike. And we got ourselves a beautiful ride today. Yeah, so basically I have decided to take the bike today and use it and go out. In the morning, it's 8 o'clock. That's why I love this bike, man. It's really smooth. Oh, Oppa. Honestly speaking, guys, after installing the Yoshimura on my bike, I feel really different because I'm noticing that people are noticing me, even though it's not too loud, but we are still getting noticed by the cars, you know, which is really good. I'm not saying having a slip-on or the exhaust will basically give you 100% protection, but it's actually saving you at least 10%, And also we have the torque here, which also is helping us sometimes to skip. And what I'm enjoying again and again from this bike right now is the Buick Z Racing windshield or windscreen. This is really helpful, and I'm literally feeling it, how its impact and how much is different. I always thought it's just for the beauty, but honestly speaking, it's not just the beauty. It's really making a huge difference, and I'm really satisfied with it. Bye. Look at this car. Is he coming? No. But I was ready. I swear I was ready. I was looking at the car. I was looking on my mirror that if I got the opportunity to change my line, if it's required, you know? Oh my God, it's raining, guys. It's raining. I can feel it. Oh! I hope it's just a stay like that and it will not get more. Because the road will gonna be slippery. Whoa! Ooh, rain is beautiful. Ta, where is the exit? Oh wow! Still, I'm getting wet. That's not good. That is not good. Getting wet is not good. No. Just you have to watch out on the turns because the road is already a bit slippery, especially the first few minutes when there is rain. That's the time all the grease on the road, sand, everything are getting mixed up, and you just have to make sure you will not be between of the mixed. Whoa. A lot of construction. Look at that. What airline is that? Looks like a Emirates? Turkish? I don't know. Oh, it's Air Arabia. It's Air Arabia. Wow. Hi. Don't worry. Bye. Really, it's a beautiful weather. Guys, I give you a very simple tip. whenever there's rain on your visor, basically, all that you have to do is to turn your head right and left. The weather is fantastic. I cannot say how much I'm enjoying it right now. But whoa, well, I don't want to shout in the microphone because I'm super excited to talk with you guys, and then I feel like, wow, that's too loud. Then I have to do a lot of editing of reducing the sound and all that stuff. Guys, I'll be very honest with you, it's getting cold. Okay. Now my visors are wet. To avoid this problem, all you need to do, as I have already told you guys, look left, look right. That's it. I got a best clear vision right now. Look at this, guys. Look at the weather. It's back to the sunny weather right now. Oh my god, this is amazing. Today the ride was really fantastic. This feels amazing, guys.